Here we are. We're at the Touch Truck Show in Paducah. We are gonna go see some trucks. Sound fun? Yeah, there's a truck right there. All right, well, let's go get on it. Let's go check it out. Look at the fire trucks. Don't climb too far up. I'm sure they don't want you to get all the way in.
Can you get up in them? Come on, you
All
want
right.
get up in there? Go ahead.
Climb on up, man. There we go. Let's get up the back part right here. You gonna climb up there?
There you go. What about that? Yeah, they will climb this year.
Fire!
Man, you're in a fire truck, buddy.
A fire truck picture.
Fun?
Yeah.
Try to get on the seat. Real life firefighter right there.
Yeah. Ooh.
Come on, buddy.
That is cool.
Let you jump off onto me. Man. Oh.
Now it's fun.
You're gonna stop.
Wanna get up?
That's all their equipment right there. That's handy too. All the tools they use.
Look at the wheels.
Yeah, that's all the tools they use for breaking into cars. That's one of them too.
A big wheel.
Do they still call it the Jaws of Life, or is it a whole other thing now? They do. I don't know if it's updated technology and oh well, now it's the Jaws of Utility or something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Jaws of what?
Do you know what
Oh, heck yeah.
fire trucks weights have?
Hey, how are you?
How much they weigh?
Good.
How much that weigh? Do you know, buddy?
What has this weight inside there?
No, it's just a license plate. Yeah, it doesn't weigh anything.
That's funny.
How are you?
Very neat.
Doing good.
You want to see the driver's seat of it?
Nothing much.
Do the other side.
Yeah, here. Here's the driver's seat. You want to get up under that?
This isn't a free for all. We're not just running as fast as we can.
If we might have fire.
That's kind of fun. I guess that shows the different fire trucks around there and where they're at the time.
And
You're in a fire truck now, buddy.
so these buttons make the RC come on.
They make the stuff make noises, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Let's not touch buttons though.
So the steering wheel makes some silly noises.
All right, let's try the next car.
Next,
Here, jump onto my back.
and wheel.
Oh man. Hey, we see this one all the time at Noble Park.
You do?
We know this one. We're gonna look inside though, because we've never seen the
You can
inside.
sit in it if you want to.
Well, here, let's go climb inside. Climb down. Oh, whoa! I got you. There we go. Well, get in the back seat if you want, whichever seat you want.
Ooh, I want this one.
You know, jump.
If you sit there, do you see those little switches down there on the right? The red and white one? You flip that one, you can turn the lights on and off. I think you might need to grow a little taller to reach the pedals.
Yeah, or a wooden block or two.
Just a couple.
What does
What does what do?
That's cruise control and
Yeah.
stuff like that.
say beep? Okay, the horn.
So I'll blow the horn.
It's the middle, but you gotta push it pretty hard.
Yeah, push the horn in the middle.
Right there in the middle.
Push it really hard.
Good job.
I think my horn's bigger than that one.
Yeah.
All right, let's go blow some other horns, buddy. Good job.
I do this.
And then this
that
thing
one?
here.
You might have seen that one in Noble Park too.
Yeah, this is always hauling stuff.
Uh-huh. Alright, has a horn.
Yeah, I don't know this one.
The lights for this one are right here.
Oh, this one has lights too?
It does.
Oh, it does. That's very cool.
Yeah. I'll turn on the one in the front. That's your back lights. All sorts of fun stuff. You can't see them from inside though. Everybody else can see how cool you are.
Yeah,
now.
like right here, it's lit up.
How y'all doing?
Huh, let's move along.
Let's see another horn.
We'll see another horn. And this is the WKYQ van.
Yeah. You want to get in there and flip some lights?
You want to flip some lights, bud?
Can you get in there okay?
Yeah, I would.
All right.
Why, Larry?
You can see right here, this is all of our, that's how we, oh my goodness. That's how we control everything. You see the lights going when you came in? We've got,
Don't honk it anymore. He's showing the light. All right, stop.
all right.
That's enough. That's enough.
Here.
Now you ruin it. He was showing you the buttons, and you were wanting to honk horns.
Here, I tell you what. Why don't you come right here and you can flip all the lights back on?
Jimmy, you want to turn all the lights back on for us? Flip all these switches
Hit all them
up.
switches up.
Oh.
I would.
Flip them all up.
Right.
Man, that's good
There you
help.
go.
Good job, buddy.
You guys have fun, man.
Thank you.
He wants to get up
We're
there.
look at the back of his. We're making a lap with you too.
Sounds good.
And we'll make a lap of all the vehicles for him. He's got to see
Here,
the back.
I tell you what. If you wanna hop up one more time, I'll let you grab something. Okay.
Jimmy, he said if you hop over here, you can grab something. And only do that if Dad's around. If someone else says hop into my van, do not do that.
Yep, you can spin the wheel and you see them cups right there? Why don't you grab you one of them? Take it with you.
You got a cup to take home.
There you go.
Let's go, buddy. Good stuff. All right, hop down. Let me see here.
Be careful.
Big jump. All right. Now we got a gas truck. All right, well, let's go this way.
This one has a good horn.
Yeah, you gotta climb up in there. It's like a mountain.
That's about as tall as the fire truck is over there, man. We're getting up there. What do y'all need all the gauges for the gas and stuff? Is that like printing receipts and tickets and
Yep,
stuff?
and that tells us where to go. And
Oh, so sorry.
There, Blair horn work with you.
Fun stuff. Let's not just keep honking the horn though.
oh, just wait. He's gonna show you where the big one is.
Uh-oh.
This cord right here.
Is that cord?
Stand up there and pull it. Pull hard.
Right down.
Oh, there you go.
Big one.
Got the pull.
That's the big one.
Yeah, that's the big horn right there.
Customers.
That's the one when you're going down the highway. You tell the truck drivers pull that one.
Right now.
We were going to Atlanta and we got got next to a semi in traffic and he got his first horn. And dude, you want to talk about lighting a kid light up, you know? I think the truck driver liked it as much as him though. He was just digging it. Like, man, look at him light up.
Yellow Freight for 30 years.
Did you?
Yeah, he just closed the door a couple months ago. I just started here
Did you?
weeks ago. And man, I don't know how many kids would do that to us.
Yeah. Keeps it alive, man. I'm all about it. Let's not, there you go. There you go. I'm gonna squeeze through that way. No, I dig it. That's very fun. I got a cousin who's a truck driver, and he's always telling me that that's the best part of it. Is like you're on a long
You see a lot
haul.
of things you don't need to see.
Oh yeah, no, I understand that too. Yeah. All right, come here, buddy. I think you snuck in behind the guy. He didn't even know you come in.
Right.
Here, let's go this way, buddy. Oh, let's go that way and sneak around to the other
I'm
side.
out here. We are a
Let's do a next one.
Jimmy, come here. I know you want to see the backhoe or what? Jimmy, come here. One vehicle at a time. Come here.
Hey, you want some candy? We got all kinds of it.
Come here, Jimmy. Hand me your cup and say trick or treat.
Yep. Have some too. Oh yeah.
Say thank you.
You're welcome.
You want to get a bottle?
Oh, you grab another one? Okay.
We
We've got plenty.
All right, thank you.
Hey, I got some candy.
You got some candy? Man. Now this thing is a bulldozer right here. I don't even know the exact term for it. We will sure find out the name for it.
Look at that Papa. That's what he always wanted to do it.
That's way up there.
Yeah. Look at you, bud. You're way up in the sky.
But
I gotta get a picture of him on here. He's up there.
hey, let him get a picture. Step back a little bit, Jimmy. He's gonna give a picture. Yeah, you're way up there, aren't you? Come here, bud. You going down?
You blew the horn. Hide me from the horn.
Jimmy, this one.
Are you coming down the horn?
Jimmy! This is a Coast Guard boat. Yeah, wait your turn. Wait.
Oh, wait.
This guy got you buckled in, doesn't he?
He is buckled in and ready to go.
You wanted to drive this here? Good stuff. Do you know how to undo the seatbelt?
Probably better.
Or does he? I don't know.
Probably better than we do.
There you go. Whoa, do you have a buckle too? Do you have a seatbelt?
You gonna do the bus? He'll
That's
have
okay.
a seatbelt.
That's all right.
There you go, Jimmy.
You.
Let's undo your seatbelt.
You want to drive?
Can you undo your seatbelt and let's get out?
Can you sit up there and drive?
Maybe he can. Yeah, he might not know seatbelt. He barely knows his
He probably
straps.
knows them better than we do.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
there you go, fella.
Man,
Thanks
thank
for
you
coming
very
out.
much. Is this fun? We're gonna go on the trolley now. We're gonna go see the trolley. I've never been on the trolley. I've lived in here my whole life.
Have you?
We would sit here.
Yeah, we're not gonna be going on it. We're just kind of looking at it. That's very pretty, isn't it?
Over here.
Here, let's go. We're going this way, buddy.
Oh, look at this.
Watch your step, boy.
Stay right behind me.
Oh, wait.
You got a crowd with you.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, buddy. Jimmy, this way. This way.
Let's come to the glass.
Look at these trucks right here. Those are big old trucks, aren't they? Yeah, that's a plow right there. I don't think they're gonna let you on this one, but we can look at it. and they get snow on the track. They oh, don't get in their way. Come here, Jimmy. Let's get out of their way.
There we go.
James. Yeah, you're not supposed to go around that way. Man, look, they just pushed candy out of that one. You want to take your cup and get some candy? Jimmy, leave some for everybody else.
There's plenty.
Oh, okay.
You want a sticker?
You got a sticker too?
Yeah.
Man. Yeah, you got some. She's gonna help you out. Man, now you got a sticker and a full cup of candy?
Yeah.
You can't beat that. Oh no, that's a lot of fun. I see you got the whole hopper here. That's good stuff.
Yeah, he'll turn it on in a minute. We don't want to scare him, but
Yeah, no, I got you. Jimmy, you're gonna climb up there? Let's not go up there. Oh yeah, okay. Jimmy, you wanna go up here? Let me see your cup. I'll hold your cup while you climb it.
Don't touch the buttons.
Yeah, just don't touch any buttons. That's all that matters.
You can take the picture.
Yeah. Man, look at all that. Man, they honk the horn. All right, you want to jump off?
we can do that.
He's gonna honk the horn, Jimmy.
Come here, Jimmy.
Jimmy.
Okay.
Woo, that's a big horn. You want to honk it? You want to go honk the horn?
I'll put you up there.
No? Okay, no. That one scared him.
You want to honk this one? Push this. Push it up.
Push. Ooh, push that button.
Right here.
Push that button up. Neat. He has remote control on his sirens. Fun stuff. Watch, he said dump candy. Watch over here. Watch, 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 watch.
Candy truck.
Stay back a little bit. Let him dump it. Man, that's neat, Jimmy. And this is a flatbed trailer. We had a car picked up on one of these before, didn't we? Whoa. All right, let me see your cup. Let me see your cup. There you go. Let's come over this way.
Yeah, I was going to the bus.
We're gonna go and see if we can see a bus.
Yes, you did.
Oh, yeah.
What you think so far, buddy?
Really?